Meet Eric, Jenny, and Terry, three small business owners who thought they had cybersecurity figured out. Eric went the DIY route, Jenny hired an in-house expert, and Terry partnered with Century Systems. Guess which one slept soundly when a massive ransomware attack hit their industry? Their stories might surprise you and change how you think about protecting your business. Stick around to see how each approach held up against real-world threats and discover why one solution emerged as the clear winner. Eric thought he had his cybersecurity covered. He'd set up antivirus software, installed a firewall, and given his employees a quick security talk. As a small business owner, he felt pretty confident about his DIY measures. After all, who'd want to target his small operation? But cyber criminals don't discriminate. One ordinary Tuesday, a sophisticated phishing email slipped past Eric's defenses. It looked legitimate, a message from a trusted vendor requesting updated payment information. Before anyone realized what was happening, sensitive data was compromised. The consequences were immediate and severe. Eric found himself scrambling to contain a breach he was ill-equipped to handle. The attack exposed common DIY security weaknesses, outdated software, inadequate employee training, and a false sense of security. Here's a sobering fact. 90% of successful data breaches start with a phishing email, just like the one that hit Eric's business. It's a stark reminder that good intentions aren't enough when it comes to protecting your business from digital threats. The harsh reality is that effective cybersecurity requires ongoing expertise and vigilance. Even more eye-opening, companies that outsource their cybersecurity are 50% less likely to experience a breach compared to those relying on in-house measures. Eric's story serves as a wake-up call for small business owners everywhere, but he's not alone in his struggle to protect his livelihood from increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. The question is, what can you do to avoid falling into the same trap? While Eric dealt with the aftermath of his security breach, Jenny was about to face her own cybersecurity nightmare. She thought she had made the smart move by hiring a dedicated IT expert to handle her company's security. But that sense of relief shattered when a ransomware attack hit her business at 3 a.m. on a Saturday. Despite their best efforts, Jenny's in-house expert struggled to keep up with the rapidly evolving threat. The attack exposed a harsh reality. Even a skilled professional can leave dangerous gaps in protection. Cyber threats don't clock out at 5 p.m. or take weekends off, and Jenny's business was caught unprepared. As Jenny and her expert scrambled to contain the damage, the limitations of their approach became painfully clear. Studies show that many businesses can't respond effectively to cyber incidents outside regular hours, leaving them vulnerable when attacks are most likely to occur. Even more concerning, some security breaches can go undetected for over 6 months. Jenny realized she needed a more comprehensive solution. A dedicated team offers continuous monitoring and specialized response capabilities that a single in-house expert simply can't match. As she looked for a better way to protect her business, Jenny considered options that could provide true peace of mind without breaking the bank. Little did Jenny know, across town, another small business owner was putting a different approach to the test. Terry thought he knew everything about running a small business, but when it came to cybersecurity, he was about to learn a valuable lesson. His decision to partner with Century Systems would prove crucial in protecting his company from digital threats. Initially skeptical about outsourcing cybersecurity, Terry decided to give Century a chance after hearing about other businesses' struggles. This choice quickly paid off when a massive ransomware attack hit his industry. While other companies panicked, Terry watched Century's team spring into action. Their cyber defense engine provided round-the-clock monitoring, rapid incident response, and proactive threat detection. As the crisis unfolded, Terry's business remained secure. The attack that crippled his competitors didn't even scratch Terry's operations. He realized that Century's expertise gave him a level of protection he could never have achieved alone. Comprehensive approach included continuous monitoring, phishing simulations, and dark web surveillance, all tailored to his specific needs. Terry's experience highlights the importance of professional cybersecurity for small businesses. By partnering with experts, he gained more than just protection. He found the freedom to focus on growing his company without constantly worrying about digital threats. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, Terry's story shows how the right cybersecurity partner can transform a potential vulnerability into a significant advantage. For small business owners looking to safeguard their future, it's a lesson worth learning. The stories of Eric, Jenny, and Terry show that professional cybersecurity management is crucial for protecting your business and giving you peace of mind. With Century Systems handling your digital security, you can focus on what really matters: growing your business. Their team of experts uses cutting-edge tools like the Cyber Defense Engine to keep you safe around the clock. They offer a subscription-based model that makes budgeting for cybersecurity predictable. Don't wait for a cyber attack to hit your business. Take a moment now to assess your current strategy. Are you confident it can stand up to today's sophisticated threats? If not, it's time to act. Click the link in the description to connect with Century Systems and discover how they can protect your business today. The longer you wait, the more vulnerable you become.